But I see a lot of people talking about car accidents and what happens, and basically that you should not go to the emergency room. And the reason you shouldn't go is because emergency rooms most of the time don't do anything. They're very expensive. You're clogging up emergency services. We even hear that sometimes from medical providers, that you shouldn't be going to the emergency room unless you are bleeding or you have an open fracture. And I say, as a personal injury attorney, don't believe any of that, right? One of the things they talk about a lot is, hey, you need to save money, right? Well, if you're in a car accident and it's somebody else's fault, you should not be thinking about saving money for that other person. You should be thinking about your own personal safety, because a lot of times you could have internal hemorrhaging or, a brain injury where you're bleeding on your brain and can cause really serious injuries. And you don't realize that. You are the worst person to evaluate your own injuries. And so you need to go to the emergency room, not only to get the documentation, but they check for these life-saving, issues that you have, and they do these life-saving procedures that protect you. And here's what you're doing if you refuse to go to the emergency room. Most of the time, people delay care because they think they're okay. So then what happens? The insurance company then has an argument that you didn't get treatment because you weren't injured. It's not because you were trying to save money. It's not because, you weren't hurt that bad, and so you're trying to be tough and just get through it and do the frugal thing. That's not what the insurance company is going to say. They're going to say you weren't injured, and that's why you didn't go to the insurance company. There's no argument that, well, I was trying to save money. I mean, they really don't care, and all you're doing is hurting your own claim, and you're putting yourself at risk. As a personal injury attorney, what do you think? Do you think people should go to the emergency room? I absolutely do. There's no question in my mind they should go to the emergency room, or if they're not that hurt, they can go to an urgent care, but they need to get checked out and they need to do it quickly. And so let me know what you think and in the comments, and if you're hurt in a car, call Mel.